Students, today I am going to teach you about decimal representation of the rational numbers. You know कि a rational number is represented by p upon q where q is not equal to 0. So any rational number can be changed into the decimal form by dividing p by q. We can divide numerator by denominator. When a rational number is converted into its decimal representation, there are two possibilities. Case first, the remainder becomes 0 when you divide numerator by denominator, means when you divide p by q, the resultant decimal is called a terminating decimal. The resultant decimal is called a terminating decimal, the answer which you get as quotient. Then comes case 2, the remainder never becomes 0. The remainder never becomes 0, that is we get a repeating string of remainders. We get repeated string of remainders. We don't get remainder as 0. The resulting decimal is called a non-terminating decimal. The resulting decimal will be called non-terminating decimal, means the quotient which we get is called terminating, that is called terminating decimal. Let's take examples here for terminating decimals. Terminating decimals, let's take one of the example. Convert 7 upon 8 into a decimal. First of all, this numerator 7 will be taken as dividend and 8 will be taken as divisor. We will divide numerator by denominator. After 7 we will put point. And after point we can replace many zeros here. Then to represent the given number into a decimal, divide 7 by 8. We are dividing 7 by 8. Now after dividing we get 0.875. What do we get? We get 0.875. We get remainder 0. The decimal representation of 7 upon 8 will be 0.875. 0.875. This type of decimal will be called terminating decimal because we are getting 0 as remainder. Then let's take one other example of non-terminating decimals. Here we are having two examples here, 10 upon 3 and 25 upon 99. First of all, we will divide this 10 by 3. 10 by 3. What do we get? We get 3.333. We are not getting remainder as 0. We are getting 1 remainder all the time. Then when we are dividing 25 by 99, what do we get? We get 0.2525 and so on. We are not getting remainder as 0. In both the cases, the remainder repeats itself after a while. In other words, we get repeating block of digits in the quotient. These types of decimal are known as non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. To express such number in decimal form, we write repeating digit or repeating block of digits by putting a bar on them. Suppose 10 upon 3, we are getting 3.3333. After point we are getting 33. So we put bar. What do? We put bar after decimal. 3.3 above 3 point, after point bar sign is there. When we are dividing 25 by 99, we are getting 0.25252525. Means 25 is being repeated after decimal, so we put a bar above 25. In this way we get terminating and non-terminating decimal. Let's take one of the question here of your exercise 3.4. Express each of the following decimal number as decimal. Means 15 upon 4. You will take 15 as dividend and divide by 4. 4 will be taken as divisor. Then you will recite table of 4 till 3. 4 3 ja 12. Then subtract 15 minus 12, 3. Now after point you are taking 0 as carry. as soon as you take 0 as carry, put a point in quotient after 3, put a decimal, then recite table of 4 till 7, 4 7s are 28, and subtract, you are getting 2, again take 2 as carry, then recite table of 4 till 5, 4 5s are 20, now you are getting remainder as 0, you are getting remainder as 0, means this type of decimal is called terminating decimal, because we are getting remainder as 0. And how we write this in the decimal form? 15 upon 4 will be equal to 3.75. It will be 3.75. In this way you will solve the questions of exercise 3.4. Thank you.